Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatargardens, and this is episode 1 of, you might call it gardening in the raw or gardening without editing. I'm gonna go back to what I used to do, where I used to just film something in the garden over 4 years ago when I started on YouTube. I'm gonna film something in the garden, upload it. Back then I didn't put end screens or thumbnails, but I used to produce 1, 2, 3, sometimes 5 a day. I'm gonna keep these videos 2 minutes, around 2 minutes, or at least 2 minutes. And they're gonna be something where I just notice something in the garden. I don't wanna do a lot of editing on it. I just wanna push it out there and hopefully provide value to people that are watching. I'm still gonna do my other videos where there's these cool intros and editing and music and whatnot and other things like that. But I'm gonna keep it short and sweet, to the point. Like I said, this is episode 1. So I'm gonna talk about my moringas right now. Let me show you. So I have a moringa here that's about 2 years old. You can see it's defoliating, turning yellow. It died all the way back to a stump last winter and only had one sprout, and that sprout grew up. Now we'll see what happens this winter. Now we've already had 3 days of 32 degrees. So we had our frost here and there, but as you can see right here with a 4-year-old, I believe, moringa right here, a big guy or gal, still pushing out new leaves, still pushing out new flowers, still has flowers, and still is full of life. So, and today is Thanksgiving, by the way, and I wish all of you a happy Thanksgiving. And keep looking for those little interesting things in life, especially in your garden, to keep you going. So I hope to continue this series. This is episode 1 of, let me know in the comment section what you think the episode should be called of the series. So like gardening in the raw, gardening without edits, something like that. Happy gardening, everyone, and happy Thanksgiving.